all, welcome back to our channel. So students, this video is mostly for covering three subjects, three specialization, that is HR specialization, marketing specialization and system specialization. Why? Because why I am combining these three subjects in one video, because all these three subjects, that is compensation management, marketing engineering, database management system, these three subjects is theory based exams. So instead of doing separate videos, if one video, whatever the tips and tricks I am saying, how we should present the paper will be useful for all these three subjects. Okay. So in our channel I have already uploaded the explanation videos and I have already uploaded my notes PDFs in our Telegram group for free of cost. Just watch that videos, it will be more than enough. Okay. How you are presenting your paper in your MBA is must and should. That plays an important key role. Yes, even though if you have by-hearted the answers, even though if you are perfect with all that 5 units, long, short, case study, everything, but still how you are presenting your paper is important. So MBA is very easy compared to the degree level correction, but still with small strategies, with some consciousness, how you can see your big results is mandatory. So compensation management, marketing engineering and database management system, out of all these three subjects theory question, when you are writing the answers, structured answers is important. Then what is mean by this structured answers? Structured answers is nothing about the way you are structuring your answers. Means, for example, any question when you are writing means meaning or introduction is must and should. Meaning or introduction is must and should. 3 to 4 lines, meaning compensation. Like for example, compensation management. What is mean by compensation management? What is mean by database management system? What is mean by marketing? Like that, 5 to 6 lines introduction is mandatory. Then definition. Definition is also plays an important key role. Meaning, definition, when you are writing the first answer in your booklet, meaning and definition as it is by-hearted from the materials or the given notes whatever I have given. So without getting any strikes, with proper sentence, with good English, with correct neatness, when the first answer you are writing means the evaluator impression will get changed. So automatically your paper correction will be in a good way. So meaning and definition compulsory you need to write it. After that, point-wise. Point-wise is nothing about if they are asking any features, if they are asking any advantages, if they are asking any characteristics, functions, anything. Keep the heading that and write point-wise. Point-wise means how many points in all these three subjects? Any 5 to 7 points. 5 to 7 side headings along with the inside matter. Side headings is important. Inside matter you can write it by your own. Don't by heart it from the materials. I have received so many messages from the students that they are literally buttifying the answers. Whatever the material answer is there, they are simply by hearting it. How many questions you will by heart? How many answers you will by heart? How many points you will by heart? Don't do like that. Even exam is nothing. Exam is not a thing that as it is whatever you are having in the material that only you need to write it in the examination. No, not like that. For example, what is mean by marketing? Okay, instead of learning the by heart in that, what is mean by marketing? Marketing is a place where you can promote your goods and services, where you can produce your buying and selling of goods and services, like that. Understanding the concept, inside the matter you can write it whatever you want, however you are feeling related to the matter. If you are writing means that will be more than enough. That plays an important key role. Understand? So side headings along with the matter is mandatory. All these three subjects. Next one, diagrammatical representation. What is this diagrammatical representation? Even in SEM 1, SEM 2 also I have already discussed. Since from degree also I am discussing. When you are writing the answers, theory answers, diagrammatical representation is important. Like whatever the points you are having, just to represent it in a diagrammatical way. For example, functions of marketing. Functions of marketing. First function, second function, third function, fourth, fifth, sixth. Answer will get elaborated. The looking wise also it will be good. Okay. So this is the structured way of presenting your paper in the examination. Some students, what they will do means, simply they will write the answers correct, but they will write it in a paragraph way. 2 to 3 pages they will write it in a paragraph way only. Don't do that. You people are in MBA, you people are in masters. Structured way of writing your answers is important. How you are presenting, even if you have completed only 60% of your preparation, only 70% you have completed your preparation, but still you can score O grade by following these tips and tricks. Attempt all questions, whether you know, whether you don't know, whether the time is sufficient, whether the time is not sufficient is not at all, like, it is none of the business. You are attempting part A, you are attempting part B, you are attempting part C is important. 5 long, 5 short case study, whether you are attempting full paper, even though if you don't know the question also, attempt some or the other thing. Whatever you understood from the something or the other thing, you will understand in the question while reading. According to that, write it by your own. Some or the other marks you will get it, ma. Some students, what they will do means, if they don't know the question, they will simply leave that question. Don't do that mistake. Attempt full paper. Full paper is important and mandatory. ఓకే, మీకు వచ్చిందా, మీకు ఆన్సర్ రాదా, అదంతా నాకు అనవసరం. అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా లేదా, రిలేటెడ్ ఆన్సర్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. క్లియర్? సో దిస్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మైండ్. యూ విల్ రాక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. Again I am saying, how you are presenting is important. Whether you don't know also, attempt the question, attempt the answers. Draw the diagrammatical representation. For example, DBMS ma, draw some computer diagram over here. Okay. Marketing students, like do like this type of flow charts, like flow charts like this, tree diagrams. Yes. Compensation management, you can draw the worker like this. Keep the here worker, because compensation is related to the worker related, no, labor worker. So you can, subject related diagrams drawing is important. Ive drawings draw cheyala ante cheppanu, you can elaborate. For example, compensation is income. You can you can draw this diagram also, rupee. Simple logic ma, using brain you can present your paper in number of ways. Yes, subject related diagrams ayinaka try cheyandi, atla mesmerize cheyali మీ యొక్క ఇన్వాల్యుయేటర్ ని, వాళ్ళని ఇంప్రెస్ చేయాలి. అరే, కంపేర్ టు ది ఇన్ని పేపర్స్ కరెక్షన్ చేసినా ఈ పేపరే మంచిగా ఉందని అనుకోవాలి వాళ్ళు. ఓకే, సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ద స్టాండర్డ్, వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా రాస్తున్నారు, వీళ్ళు ఎట్లా రాస్తున్నారు అట్లనే రాయకుండా, creativity important. Okay, so that's it ma. Don't keep so many things in your mind, just be prepared. Whatever I have said in this video, just rock it in your examination. All the very best. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone. If you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the links I have mentioned in the description box. See you all in next video. Bye bye students.